What is up, all you lovely people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Today is day 2 of working on the Mercedes down in the garage with Aaron. He's doing a quick respray on the car. It's just a quick refresh for the car. It's not a concourse spray job. So we're gonna warm sudsy water with some Scotch-Brite, do the whole car down, give it a good surface for the paint to grab, so it's getting painted and lacquered, so it's going to be fresh for the owner. He wants to send it back in through the NCT as it failed on a few rusty bits which have been fixed, and yeah, just paint now tonight. So we're going to go down, get the car to a nice level where we're not leaning over and we're not killing each other on the ground. Then we can put the car on the ground and do the roof and around the windows. Hope you do really enjoy the videos that I'm putting out. If there's anything you'd like to see, drop it in the comment section below. Give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more. There's plenty more coming up with the garage and other builds. I do have a holiday planned and that's sucking up all my resources. So yeah, give the video a like, comment, subscribe and enjoy the videos. And I'll see you in the garage. The rest of the car to do now. These are all sanded. This is lightly sanded as well, so we're just going to go around the whole car and Scotch-Brite it and then drop it down, do the roof and then mask off. Now the whole car is scotched down. Only one more thing to do, and it's the most important thing to do. Tea time. So I finished all my sanding. Aaron just gave me a tenner. He was like, oh, just go over to the Max, I'll get 2 coffees, because he doesn't want a tea at the moment. So I'm just gonna go over, get some coffee, and then we get back, wash the car and get it ready for paint. Da-dun-dun. Power wash time. That bad boy. Now she's all power washed off. Actually looks alright when it's all wet, but unfortunately it's not. But she's all good now. Nearly ready for paint. A few more bits we need to DA. Just need to DA the front bits here and a bit on the back of the car, but roof is all ready, all primered, ready to rock and roll. So yeah, hopefully we'll get the whole car painted tonight. Now she's all masked up, she's looking good. Just need to do a bit of tape down on the bottom there, but she's mostly masked up. Aaron just blew over some bits and pieces that he wasn't happy with some primer. He done 2 repairs on the bonnet and 1 here, so it's looking fresh, much better than it was anyway. So yeah, paint time. Aaron made a hovercraft and then it's around here touching Martin. Looks like hugging each other. Would you look, there's Martin. Hi Martin. You well, lad? So that's it. Aaron just blew over the primer with a bit of blue before he does the first coat. There he is there, he's like something out of Chernobyl, getting ready to paint the car. Are you doing the tea or what? Am I doing the tea? You're gonna need more than tea to get this car looking right. Here he is there, Chernobyl himself, getting ready to do the first 2 coats. So I'm going to get in now with the overspray and we'll come back out and have a quick look when there's a coat or 2 on. Go make Aaron tea. Yeah, just leave it like that, it would look better. Actually it does look really good, that colour, flat. There's loads of overspray in here, so I'm not going to stay long, just going to have a look, a bit of lacquer on it and make it look good. Aaron's over there mixing the lacquer now, so we're going to leg it off because it's, what time is it? 1 o'clock? 1 o'clock. So we come back down on Monday and see what it looks like lacquered. Look at that, Martin, we take this up to the backers and we slide down the hill on it. Jeez, remember that? Fucking hell. So yeah, that's the good old Merc painted blue, and Aaron's over there mixing the lacquer. So we'll come back Monday or Tuesday and see it finished. So guys, unfortunately, the Mercedes is gone. Aaron finished it the next day. We never got to go down to have a look at the finished product, but Aaron took some pictures of the car and sent them to me for y'all to have a look at the finished product. So have a look at these pictures and let me know what you think about the job that he did in the few days that he had the car in the comments down below. Aaron does really nice work. He done the Mini, he done the Civic. He does really nice work, but that was like a rush job that the mechanic wanted him to do just to tidy up the car for the guy. So they were just looking after the guy because obviously friends of friends. That's what Aaron does. He's really cool at that. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of this beautiful car. Have a look, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and be dedicated.